Hey guys, welcome back. We've got a new project car and this one is definitely a money pit. Follow us now if you're into classic builds, real garage graft and the occasional bit of regret. Yes, you guessed it, we've bought another Land Rover. This is a Series 2A. It's half restored, dragged out of a garden mid-build, waiting for someone daft enough to finish it. And, well, yes, that would be us. Have you ever taken a build on like this? Tell us what broke first. We are really bracing ourselves for the headache this is going to be. I kind of feel like I should be helping push here.
Just wondering.
Yep. That was 21st birthday present off my mum and dad. With a brand new galvanised chassis, rebuilt engine that's never run, and dozens of boxes of bits that may or may not be useful. Some bits might well be mint, some are unknown. One part looks like it came off a tractor though. Now it's here, and this isn't just a restoration, it's a full-on mechanical jigsaw. He's always happy. It's alright. Your lift is going to catch it. Not lift, press. Is that not going to catch it? The plan, build it, curse off it, fix it again, and maybe even drive it one day, hopefully. Probably would, but I don't think you'll get the front end on it.
Okay, so we have a Series 2A, as you've probably seen, and now I have the big job of where's everything go? Because I haven't got a clue. I've not worked on one of these. I worked out in 25 years, I think it was. So, my biggest question is, what are all the bits that are missing? So,
well, hang on. Before we get to that, why do you want one of these?
Oh, I must be stupid.
No, you want one of these because when you were little, your dad had one, didn't he?
He did. He had the Series 2A with the canvas roof. Yeah, we used to go to Abersock and everywhere, wasn't it?
Exactly.
Boats everywhere.
So
and, it went on fire. Set traffic lights.
Oh.
And he had to put it out with his feet. That didn't work. So he had to call a fire engine. And then they put it out. By that point, it was burned all the way back. All the way back to here.
No.
And he had to rebuild it all and rewire it. And the insurance paid out.
Wow.
£500.
Seriously?
£500.
Dear God, imagine that nowadays.
So, yeah, so basically he rebuilt it all. and it had different engines in it and all sorts. And
That does not surprise me with your dad. He was not one to have a standard engine.
no, so yeah,
But,
I
yeah,
just wish
back
I
to
had
the
another
engine.
one to look at to see where things go. So I might have to go and find one and go and get some pictures. We missed a good day today because there was a car show down the road we could have gone to.
Yeah, there was.
Guarantee there would have been one there. But yeah, so basically, need to work out what's going on. My biggest thing is to try and find out what bolt hold this on, because it would be nice if I could have some steering.
It would be
just
useful.
to be able to move it round. So yeah, if you want to have a walk round. So basically, it's got a brand new bulkhead. It's got a brand new galvanised chassis, but it's been painted black.
It's been rust treated first, though, hasn't it?
Yeah.
And then painted black.
Then he's rebuilt all the engine with new pistons, new liners, skimmed the head, put all that together. Obviously, I don't know if it runs. I haven't got a clue. Obviously, new clutch, master cylinder, brake master cylinder, new one of these, all metal work for the tub, brand new tank. If you come around there and look, you know, it's absolutely lovely what has been done. But the problem I've got is I just don't know what's missing. He told me that all the bits are in the back, so we'll have to work through it.
Well, that's today's
there you
project,
go.
isn't it? Is
There you go, a lot. Brand new door tops, brand new radiator. I'm guessing that's for the airbox. I don't know. Steering wheel looks like it's seen better days.
What do you expect? How old is this thing?
Yeah, so my plan now is to literally just have a look what we've got.
Yeah, we're going to pull all the boxes out and have a route and see what we can find. See if we can get a list together of what we need and what we don't need to try and get this resembling something that looks like a car again. And yeah, this is the latest project.
Wish me luck.
Make sure you hit that like and subscribe and follow for the chaos, because this Series 2.8 won't build itself and we are definitely going to mess it up before we get it right.